विसावा उपरांत परत येवकार बुधवारा गोंय फायर सर्व्हिस सेंटरान 3 दिसाच्या प्रशिक्षण कार्यशाळेक सुरवात केल्या। डायरेक्टर ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेशान गोंय राज्य फायर फोर्सा कडेन USAR आनी MFR हांकां प्रशिक्षण दिवपाची कार्यशाळा आयोजीत करपाक लायिल्ली। ही कार्यशाळा 3 आठवडे चलतली म्हण म्हायती गोंय उजो पालोवपी दळाचो संचालक अशोक मेनन हांणी दिल्या। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Engaging our fire personnel to be trained in all kinds of search and rescue operations. As part of that, the first batch has already been sent to the CASF organization in Hyderabad, Missar. A 50-member batch of firemen has been trained in CSSR in the year 2012. Later on, the Director General also is sending regularly fire personnel for getting them trained in flood water rescue training, especially how to engage the inflatable rescue boats, as well as conducting flood rescue operations. And most of the fire stations in Andhra Pradesh, most of the fire personnel have been trained in that. So the Director General is now contemplating of making and establishing a task force team in each and every station, wherein each member of each fireman is not only going to be specialized in fighting operations, but also well acquainted with rescue operations, especially flood waters, as well as bringing search and rescue operations.
The Director General of State Disaster Response in Andhra Pradesh had requested the Goa State Fire Force Training Center to conduct training in medical first responders and the urban search and rescue training for their fire personals, So today it's a 3-week training course, and we have 30 people of the State Disaster Response in Andhra Pradesh Fire Service undergoing this training. And the Goa State Fire Force Training Center has been training many fire service personnel across India in this aspect of disaster response, that is MFR, medical first responder, and urban search and rescue. Our training capability has been also appreciated by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India as well. We are also conducting training for the Goa Police, Home Guard and Civil Defence in this aspect of disaster response. We have already trained 2 batches of Goa Police and the Home Guard and Civil Defence 2 months back, and they are the components of the SDRF of Goa State. Likewise, earlier we had conducted for many states like the Arunachal Pradesh, and many other states have come to us for such a training program.